Looks tough.
That doesn't look very medium well.
That does not look very medium well.
It looks very well done.
It is.
Yeah, it is well done.
Which isn't an issue
The
because
temperature on the steak is not right, but go ahead. That's a big old piece, babe.
I was gonna cut off some more.
Go ahead.
I'm gonna cut this big piece. Yeah, she's a bit tough, but I like well done as well.
There we go, strudel, coffee strudel.
Thank you.
All right.
I'll take it right here. Thank you.
I like that. I like it.
You like it with the chimichurri? Awesome.
I think it was on a grill.
Huh?
I think it was on a grill. I really like it.
Okay, what about it? Do you like
The smoky flavor that it has.
full beans? Okay, who's next?
She's swaying. All right, I'm filming. I can't chew it. You can't chew it? I cannot chew the steak.
So,
It's too tough for me.
It's overcooked because it's still not medium well.
yeah, it's gonna be well.
It was well done.
I cannot chew steak. I'm so sorry, but automatically I have to do 1 out of 10 because you cannot chew your food. Then what's the point? Dr. Diva.
No, if it's tough like that, I can't eat too.
Do you agree with that?
It was overcooked. It was overcooked. It's not a tough piece of meat. It just wasn't cooked properly. It should have been medium well, and it's just well done. I'm looking at it. If you get a look at it, there's no plate at all in here.
Turn around the plate. Completely well done. We asked for medium well.
Not good. Okay, you guys go ahead and finish eating. I'm done.
This whole restaurant, everything they cook, they get a 2.